Hello from John Farrington Commercials. Here we have a 2024 Ford Transit crew van tipper. As you can see, it's got a full length reflective stripe, amber flashing beacon. It's also a dual rear wheel. All the sides drop down. There's your highways board, your tow bar with electrics. This van's been converted, so you've got your tool storage in the back. Here's your bed, all the sides drop down. Moving on into the front, we'll start with the lights. Here's your steering wheel controls. It's only covered 42,000 miles. This van's got a 6-speed manual gearbox with air conditioning. Here's your radio with FM, Bluetooth and DAB. Been kept in really nice condition. All the seats are really nice. Here's your tipper controls. Flick them on. Up and down. Any more questions, please let us know.